Yeah, look. Someone turned it off. So, be very, hold on, just exercise some caution here. Someone did that deliberately. So, you're supposed to use technically you're supposed to be using your right hand. Okay. Right, with your left hand behind your back like this. Okay. When you stick it in, because God forbid you were to get shocked with this, right? The electricity is going to flow through your arm and go through this side of the body and not go through your heart side. Just so you know. Worthless information, but
I was looking for a wood plank.
What was also kind of messed up is that there are no double breakers inside that circuit breaker panel. None whatsoever. So this is a very, very suspect, electrically going on here, like it's very, very suspect, like scary shit. And now it's pulling in attic air because there's no return duct on the air handler. This is what happens when you have a landlord-tenant type of issue. You have a slumlord landlord, and you have tenants who are paying good money for rent, right? But everything about this is fucked up. Right, we have an electrical circuit breaker panel with no double breakers. We went down there, right? We saw one 50 amp breaker that was off. One single 50 amp breaker. That's a lot of power. They need to get a licensed electrician into this location, and before they use this thing. Very, very, very sketchy. Very, very sketchy. And let's feel that heat. There you go. Another day, another $1.50. $1.50.